Hey, I'm JR, and we are here in the Morel Suite at the Venetian here at CES 2020. And what you see here is actually a speaker in a shelf. The shelf is made by Ikea. It's called the Kallax system of shelves, and Morel has designed a speaker specifically to fit in those shelves. And that is the speaker right there. It's called the Hogtalares, which is actually Swedish for speaker. It fits actually also the Ikea Expedit shelving system as well. But you don't have to put it in an Ikea shelf. You can actually put it on any shelf or any surface in your home. This is a speaker that simply fits in that location. So what you have here is a Bluetooth speaker, 2 tweeters to give you a stereo image from one speaker, a nice big 6-inch woofer, and an amp designed specifically for this speaker array, which is going to put out about 100 watts of power. We've been listening to them in here, and this is quite loud and does a really nice job. Sounds like you would expect from Morel. You can also pair it with another one to have actual stereo sound, so you can have a left and a right Hogtalare in your system as well. It does get its music from Bluetooth as well as an aux input. There's a USB input on the back, so you can plug in like a Chromecast device if you want to make it a Wi-Fi speaker as well. And it's available in several finishes with several colors. These grills are sold separately: red, blue, white, and this one is the black. They do look great because they are made to go in these Ikea pieces. They will also look great outside of the Ikea pieces. This is not super deep. It's only about 6 inches deep, so it doesn't even take up this entire shelf here. Like I said, sounds amazing, looks great, pretty innovative product, a little different than something we've seen before, so we wanted to make sure we caught it here at CES 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I'm JR here at the Morel Suite at the Venetian with the Hogtalares speakers for the Ikea shelves. We think they're going to be great.